Okay, so I just want to explain the basics of formatting. Excel has incredible formatting capabilities, and a lot of people don't use it nearly to its fullest advantage, but it can make all the difference between how a spreadsheet is received by your bosses and co-workers and so on, how well you format it. And most of the functions are actually here on the first page, on this ribbon here, under the home section. So let's just go through some of these. Now probably the one I use the most is actually this one, Format Painter, and as you can see I've got it here on my quick access toolbar. So any of these you can right click, that's already there, but if I deleted it, removed, and then you can just right click, add to quick access toolbar, there it is, because I use it and that just pins it to that bar so it's easy to find. So I've created this table. The data is exactly the same in both, but this on the right is unformatted. You see there's no comma there in the 1597, and this is formatted, and this is a merged cell at the top. So if I wanted to copy the formatting from this table to that, I just select this, then I click on Format Painter, then click on the top left cell there, and it formats the whole thing. So what it's done, that orange was in the left cell there and it's in the right cell there, so it merged it, so that disappeared. So you'll have to just copy that one over, and there you have it. So that's a great shortcut, and you probably use that all the time if you know how to use it. Now these are obvious font lists, so change your font or text, which I don't really change very much because it just gets so confusing, all the different types of fonts you can have, but it is possible if you want to. Now if you want to if your column is too small, the easiest way of resizing it is to just double click there when it turns into a cross. There you go. So you can just select that and make it as big as you want.